Hey everyone, it's Carly Hall, and today's video is a little bit different because we are talking about Silhouette America's design store. Now, before you gasp and ask me, did I switch back to Team Silhouette? I still believe that the Cricut Maker is the best cutting machine on the market, but if you followed along for a while, you may remember that I actually moved to Utah to work for Silhouette America. So of course I love Silhouette America. They are a huge reason as to why I craft, and their design store is incredible. They have over 150,000 designs and so many fonts, thousands and thousands of fonts. So just recently, probably maybe even a year ago, they added the ability to download SVGs from their website and use them with other cutting machines like your Cricut machine. So today I'm going to show you how to shop for a design and download it and use it with your Cricut machine. It's also a great month to shop because all designs are 50% off and so many other deals are going on right now. You can even check out their free designs if you go up to deals and then go to free designs. They have so many designs that you can download and use with your Cricut machines. And of course, if you're a Silhouette user, use with your Cricut or your Silhouette machines as well. There was a super cute image that I saw earlier today, so I'm gonna go and find it. I know the artist. I'm gonna search by artist and then scroll down to the S's and find Sarah Hurley. Sarah Hurley is one of my favorite designers in the Silhouette design store. All of her stuff is so cute. And then on the left-hand side, you can filter even further and search for a keyword like coffee. And there was an image that I saw that I absolutely loved. All you need is love and coffee. So I'm going to choose this one and it will pop up and you can see it'll tell you the design type. It's a regular cut and then it has two file types. It'll always include the studio version, but since we're not using a Silhouette machine, we're going to need to download the SVG. So choose SVG. Next, you have the license type. I'm just using this for personal use, but if you need a commercial license, you will have to pay a little bit more, but again, not outrageous, super affordable. And then once you're done with your decisions, click on the shopping cart here, and then the arrow. Here's my shopping cart. If I need to make any changes, I can do that. If not, choose checkout, and then sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free right here. And if you already have an account, just sign in. I'm going to pay with PayPal. And then it will ask you to authorize your password one last time since you are paying for something. And now your order is complete. There's a big button right in the middle that says direct download, and then a little checkbox here that says always download automatically in the future. Select that if you'd like to automatically start this process, and then click direct download. Down at the bottom, you'll notice that a zip file is downloading. So let's minimize this. And then we're gonna grab the zip file and drag it onto our desktop and then open it to see the folder. Inside the folder, we can see that we have our studio file and our SVG that we need for our Cricut machine. So let's open Cricut Design Space and upload our image. I'm using the beta app here. So when you come into the homepage, you'll choose New Project. On the left-hand toolbar down at the bottom, we're going to choose Upload and then choose Upload Image. You can either drag and drop your file or browse for it if you know where it is. Let's choose the folder and then choose the .svg image and then click open. If you get any warnings, don't worry, just click continue. It shouldn't affect the process. And then now you can see our cute image on the left-hand side, and we can rename this whatever we want. If you want to tag it, you can tag it. Tagging it will make it easier to search for the image in the future, so I love tagging mine with as many things as I can think of. Then click Save. Once it's uploaded, you can choose the image by hovering over it and then selecting it, and it will add this green box around it. Then click Insert Images. Now it'll come into Design Space, and not all of Silhouette's files are completely ready to cut, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix them up so they're ready to go. So first we're going to ungroup the image, and then you can highlight each word and weld them together. This one's already welded, so we're good to go there. And you can weld the entire image together, but I like to have the option to change the colors if I want. This one I will weld the entire thing since I know that I want that to be a different color. So then I can change the colors of each, whatever I want them to be. This can be gray. All of these can be black. And if I know that I want to cut all of the black letters together, I can also highlight all of those and attach them. So then when we bring it to the Make It screen, I have my gray and my black ready to go. It's really that easy to download an SVG from Silhouette's design store. For the entire month of November, they are 50% off, and there is a free image every single day. I'll put the links in the description below, and let me know if you download any images and use them with your Cricut cutting machine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.